In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a mayonnaise. To make a mayonnaise, you require just a few ingredients. We've got a lovely fresh egg here from Haye Farm, from Harry and Emily. A little slice of lemon to finish the seasoning. A good dollop of mustard, Dijon, whole grain, English mustard, they all work. We've got a little splash of water, some salt, and some sunflower oil. We also need a bowl and a whisk to mix the mayonnaise. Okay, so to make the mayonnaise, we're going to start by separating the egg. Now we want to use the yolk only in this recipe, but the white, of course, you can save and use for other recipes like meringues. So we're going to separate the egg. We just tap it on the dish. Dip it from one side to another. And that goes into our bowl. Get rid of the shell, and we'll keep the white for later. Okay, so beautiful fresh yolk in there. Now we're going to add our mustard. Good heaped teaspoon of mustard. We're also going to add a little splash of water. Just a touch, a teaspoonful. And we're going to whisk this really well. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm now going to really slowly drizzle in the oil. Now you could do this in a food mixer as well, but it's very quick to do it by hand, a little bit less washing up. So I'm going to whisk as I go here. Take your time, take your time. It's very important to go slowly with the oil, otherwise your mayonnaise will split. It's starting to thicken up really nicely. Add a little bit more oil, but we're almost there. And we're using sunflower oil because it's got quite a neutral flavour. We could put some olive oil in there, we could be using rapeseed oil, other vegetable oils. If we use a neutral oil, it allows us to take the mayonnaise in lots of different directions. We could be bringing herbs in there, we could be bringing garlic in there. It just doesn't overpower. And so we'll just get rid of this. I'm just going to show you the consistency so we can see our mayonnaise nice and silky. And we just add a little pinch of salt, not too much, a tiny squeeze of lemon. Give that a last whisk. And there we have it. Very quick, very tasty, beautiful mayonnaise. See you in the next video.